What's up, Tube City, Tube City, Tube City TV? Checking in, talking to you. I want to share surfing on this channel, but I also feel a responsibility to tell you what's going on the North Shore of Oahu. We had a lot of rain, an unusual amount of rain. So much rain that my girlfriend and I were getting text message alerts on our phone. Dam imminent failure. Please evacuate your house. We evacuated. Luckily, we were safe. Luckily, the place that we are renting didn't get flooded. But right down the road from us, people had feet of mud standing in their house, maybe almost to their waist in mud. And there's been no government assistance, no deploy of the National Guard, no nothing. And everyone in the communities had to stand up and put in man hours and shovel this mud and scrape this mud out of these homes. And it's really gnarly. And I think it's hard for me to upload a YouTube video and be like, oh my gosh, this is so fun, life is so great, when there's a real thing going on right now, and I want to bring awareness to it. And for people wondering how they can help, we live pretty close by. My girlfriend and I just walked over and asked how we could help. For the local area people, that's what you can do. You can go volunteer your time to these houses and these people who need it. If you're not able to give your body and your time, I would say donating water or donating just general non-perishable groceries to, I believe it's St. Michael's Church in Wailua. They're taking donations, and at the Wailua Sugar Mill, they're taking donations. There you can help, and in the description of this video, I'll put a link to where you can donate to a relief fund for Wailua. But I just wanted to make an intro of this video to bring awareness to what's going on, because it's really a tragedy what's happened to the North Shore. Wailua is such a beautiful, small, calm community, and to see it now with everything covered in mud, and there's just hundreds, almost 1,000 people going in and out these small neighborhoods that were once empty and only had the people who lived there going in them. It's really traumatic. I drove around Wailua when I first went back up there after we evacuated and went back into our place, and I was crying. I was like, wow, this is really sad. And it motivated me to want to go help out. And we helped out one of our friends of a friend in Mokuleia on Monday, and then on Tuesday we helped out our neighbor, and it felt really good. And then the next day I had to go to work, and my back was so sore. But that's what I felt was right. And that's what I feel like it's my duty to use any sort of platform that I have to bring awareness to the situation at hand, because it's serious. And the Wailua Dam, or the Wahiwa Bridge, or the Wahiwa Dam, I had no idea was compromisable. And then if compromised, endangered all of Haleiwa and Wailua with a tidal wave of fresh water. Not until I was 27 years old, after living here my whole life, did I find out that knowledge. So you learn something new every day, and it's really scary. It's really unfathomable how the state could sell all these plots of residential land knowing that they are in the path of a freshwater tidal wave. If dam failure proceeds, which I got a notification on my phone, dam failure imminent. Imminent meaning it's going to happen soon, very likely. Thankfully, it didn't happen. Otherwise, our house and everyone else's house probably would have had a much worse fate. So we're thankful for what it only was, even as horrendous as it is so far. But this intro to this video is to bring awareness for the people of Wailua, Mokuleia, and Haleiwa, and so we can get back on track into a normalcy and peaceful living, because right now it feels like a war zone up there. So please donate in the link in the bio or the description. And if you live on Oahu, maybe go shovel some mud when you're feeling pent up and need a workout. The next time you need a workout, possibly. Just throwing ideas out there. But you're all needed. We're all here for each other. I believe if you want to volunteer, you go to that St. Michael's Church in Wailua, and they'll assign you to a location. No more just walking around and asking people if they need help. Thank you for listening. Here's some footage from Rocky Point from a land view. All right.